So I'm going to be harvesting some cucumbers today. I'm going to check the plants because I noticed a lot of young ones the other day. So I'm going to check to see if I find any mature ones I can pick. I am seeing a lot of young babies. So probably in another week these will be ready. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, that one looks promising. I'm gonna go around. Here's my cucumbers. Look at that. Yes, it's raining. I have 2 of them. There's another one right here, but this one is a little too small, so I'm just going to pick this one. This one is a little more, but this is ready. You guys see this? This is the El Camino variety. It's a small cucumber, but I'm so happy. Another one here. So I get 2 cucumbers today. I'm gonna leave. So guys, my sweet pepper. Alright, this is solely my fault, right? Because I have not been taking as much care as I should, and you know, being busy, so I don't spend as much time looking at the sweet pepper and the peppers. But they got attacked. I think it was aphids, I'm not sure, but they're dying. They died. I'm gonna pull them up. But the sweet pepper look like it's to push up more leaf though. Look at that. Hold on, focus something. Yeah. So they look like it to grow more leaf. I'm gonna pull it up though, because I have more seeds for plants. Guys, this is the final melon from my garden. Yes, this is a big boy. If you look at my finger compared to it, yeah, this is a big baby. Hey, I'm harvesting garlic eggs. But garlic eggs. A garden eggplants. Today, I don't like them, so I'm going to give them away. It tastes nasty. As you guys can see, the beets are not doing well. So I don't know. So I mean, I'm gonna try again because I'm gonna replant over my garden. I'm not gonna plant everything that I planted before. So I'm going to reorganize and get back to the drawing board because you know it's a new experience for me. So you know, I expect things not to go well because I've never done this before. Anyways, the carrots, however, like they're still growing. Still growing. Corn is growing a little weird like that. But not everyone, all of them stay. So have another ear right here, so pop up. So one ear king off itself right there. So I kind of pull this out one ear already because I want to see what it look like. Ooh. Why? These were not in there last week. Oh my, well, last week Monday. Me cook them. Me broke it right now and cook it. Okay, so that's my corn featuring some weeble. Don't worry, it will be eaten anyhow because when I killing off spots on the stalks. Don't know what that is. Alright, like these are gonna be like, this one is small, like very small. It stopped like right here, you see. So this is how the corn is, and then it stopped right there, Alright, how to tell when your corn is ready? Sometimes it's by the ear, when the ear is brown like this. But sometimes, even though the ear is brown and dried, and you pull back the tusk, it's still white. So I'm gonna pull apart some. Okay, so this is a result of poor pollination. You see the missing kernels? Yep. But it's nice and fat. Well, the kernels are nice and fat. Look at it. And this is the second one that I broke. I'm gonna check the others. Pumpkin is finally blooming, producing fruits. Look at that pretty. There's one there. There's one here. Comment down below if you know which variety pumpkin this is. I would say this one. Early morning, some of us kind of crack and thing. So guys, nuggets. It's been a long while since I've been on camera, and just coming to say this is like this is the final stage of my home garden. What I have left now is just pumpkins to be harvested. First it was just 2 of them, and like only 2 pumpkins, but guess what, I find 2 more this week, and then big. So I don't know how I missed them because I went through the patch, so I don't know how did I miss them. Oh, it's the week of September 22nd. Alright, so I'm gonna pick one of them today. Okay, so they say that the pumpkin is ready when the heart leaf, which is the leaf directly above it, which would be this one right here, is dried up. The pumpkin is ready. But the challenge I have with this though is that because it could have been dried up because it got damaged, because look at this, it had pests on it, yeah. So but this has been a while, and I cut it, as you guys can see. But I cut it like a week ago, and it was like pale yellow. So it most definitely must ready right now. They say you can also look on the underside right here. If it's yellow, it's ready. But I believe it ready. I believe it ready. But I'm not cut one yet. This is the second one. This also, the leaf is starting to get dried, and the underside is still a little white. They said to use the hollow method, knock it. That sounds hollow to me. I'm going to chance it and cut this one. As you guys can see, the pumpkin has taken over my yard. There is no space for me to walk, right? And I do not want to cut any bushes until I reap my pumpkins, because I don't want to lose the vines. Here is the other one. This one is big. Alright, so this one already it kind of sound hollow, but see the leaf here, the leaf is still green, fully green, so I'm not touch it. The last time I did the method of the hollow sound thingy, I will pick up green pumpkin, so left in that. Look at me, I have caterpillars on the leaf. Yup, definitely have some caterpillars yamming up the pumpkin leaf. Alright, this is the fourth one. You saw it big? They are big. Alright, see the leaf here? Still green. So, yeah, I'm gonna leave it until it's ready. Alright, let me give a size of this from the perspective of my finger. Oh, yeah, from my finger. That's it. I don't have a scale, so all I have is the scale that I use for people body. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna cut it and look at that. Okay. Alright. Not bad, not bad at all, not bad. You see the pretty color? So beautiful. So that's my little punky. As I said, I don't have a scale, so I'm gonna know the size of it. I use my bathroom scale and say 6 kg, so that's roughly about 13 pounds. Yeah, right. That's look at it. Look at the little booby. So this is all. I mean, these are just tests. I didn't really plant much, just like 4 seeds or 5 or about 10, I think. It was just a test. So I'm going back to the drawing board and I'm going to improve on the size the next round. Guys, this is one of the last 2 pumpkins. You see the size of that pumpkin? Like, look at the size of the pen. Everybody's supposed to know the size of our veins. Oh no, the pen. That pen, yeah. But it's massive. This is probably about 20 pounds. I don't have a scale. I only have this scale, bathroom scale. This is about almost 20 pounds. It could be inaccurate, but yeah. You see it right here? The leaf is not dry, but I checked it. I did cut it like I cut it sometime earlier this week, and it was not this. It was not this color, so it's pretty much ready now. So I'm gonna cut it. So may have 2. The 2 of them ready. Look at this one. This one feels like 30 pounds. This is the last of the 2 pumpkins from my garden. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's probably like a 20 or 19 pound. I have a scale, but it's a bathroom scale, so it's not accurate, but it's big. My head big, but look at it compared to my head. It's bigger than my head. But yeah, this is the end of my garden. My final